To make it easy, I recommend you to use computer or laptop to do this because we need to do a payment operation to watch Qello Concerts. So first, you want to sign in into your YouTube TV account under tv.youtube.com. After that, you want to go to your top right of your screen and then click right here on the shop icon, which will take you to these networks and add-ons. And then you want to click on all and then start to search for Qello Concerts. Right here on the Qello Concerts, you want to click on it. And then you want to add Qello Concerts to your YouTube TV membership by paying $8 per month, and you can get 7-day free trial. So just click on next to complete your purchase with your credit or debit card or even your PayPal. And then to watch Qello Concerts, you can do this on your computer, TV, or any streaming devices. You want to go to your top right of your screen and then click right here on the search icon and then search for Qello Concerts. Right here on the Qello Concerts with this network sign, you want to click on it. And then you can just scroll down and watch any series, movies from Qello Concerts. And you can also add the movie or series that you want to watch on your smart TV by adding them to your library, where you can also skip the ads when you add a show to the YouTube TV library. And to do it, you can just choose on any show or a program, and then tap right here on the three dots, and then click on add with the show name, or you can just open up the specific show or program, and then click right here on the plus sign. And to check on every show that you add or recorded before, you want to go to your top of your screen and then click right here on the library beside the home page. So on your smart TV, you can just hop into this section without looking into the live guide and enjoy your favorite show. If you still have any question, just comment down below and I will try my best to assist and help you guys. And that's how to watch Qello Concerts on YouTube TV. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.